We're gonna ride Remy's Ratatouille Adventure for the very first time. Getting on about an hour early.
I do like that a lot.
The fountain is cool. And it smells like Disney water.
One on the right, one on the left.
Sure.
No one cooks like Chef Remy.
That's so cool. I know. Good man.
That's cool.
Vous voilà. Venez, venez, venez. Suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way.
Oh, wow.
Cool.
Dang.
Misérable. Des invités pour le dîner.
Hein? Pour le repas idéal. En commun? Non. A simple moment. Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it!
Oh.
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Oh, you see all the eyes. Oh, what the car.
Que manigancez-vous?
Ah! Oh, there you go. That's where the water came from. Oh, that's good. Ah! Ooh, we feel that.
Dépêchez-vous, par ici. Go, go. Come on! Remy's kitchen's just around the corner! Oui, oui! On est presque arrivé à la cuisine de Remy! 3 autres côtes pour la douce. Une à point, une bleue et une citron.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh,
Il va
wow.
falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte. Oui, ma chérie!
Uh-oh.
Hey! Thanks for coming, everyone! Vous serez toujours les bienvenus, cher Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit! Mino! Oh. Au revoir!
This way. You want
That's cool. Oh yeah, look. They're all over.
Alright, I think I like this better than Runaway Railway.
Yeah.
And I hate it.
That was a cute ride.
Okay, be sure to grab all your stuff and watch your step this way. Goodbye.
All right, so we just got done with Remy's Ratatouille adventure. We've got some thoughts and just some general ideas on it, what we came out with. So I'm gonna let Paige go first on this.
I do have a lot of thoughts on this. So to preface, I had very limited, really zero expectations after hearing some other reviews. Zero expectations going into this. I was very pleasantly surprised to the point where I would say that I like Remy's better than I like Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Reason being, I mean, the trackless system is cool and Mickey and Minnie's has that too. But the actual set pieces were so cute. So the part where you go through the food storage section, I think that's my favorite part. Set pieces were awesome and you do feel like you're a tiny little mouse. And then the other parts that I really enjoyed were when the mop kind of splashes the water at you, and then when you feel the heat of the oven.
Yeah.
And then the champagne. So there were some elements that I was not expecting, and overall I thought it was very well done. I thought the queue was very well done. Great detail there. You can hear the horns of the cars honking on the streets and you feel like you're on the roof. So I really liked it. I would not pay the lightning lane, extra fee lightning lane for that ride, but I would most definitely get a boarding group again. And we were boarding group number 12 that we got right at 7 o'clock from home. And we were called pretty immediately after the park opened. So we were on and off the ride by 10:30 this morning.
Fast.
I really liked it. I would ride it again.
So from my perspective and ideas, I was kind of excited for this ride.
You were more excited than I was.
Yeah, definitely. I'd seen the videos, you know, from the one in Paris, and I know when they announced it here, I was excited that it was coming. But you know, like anything, you kind of go into it with an open mind and you know, see what it's going to be like. And I was very surprised. I like the theming. You know, you start out in the queue, it's like you shrink down to a mouse. So you're walking around the roof, and then it's kind of where you board the vehicle, and then you go through the ride. But what I really like is, unlike Minnie's Runaway Railway, where it stays like this the whole time, this one moves and tilts, so you feel like you're actually going down a hill or going up, or you know, it's a little bit more immersive. And I love the refrigerator scene where you see the little eyes peeking out in between the food crates and all that, and then the mop splash was pretty good too.
Just to add to that, so I typically don't do well with rides with a lot of screens, and especially with the 3D glasses, a lot of times it makes me pretty motion sickness. This one really didn't. Right. So there was one split-second moment where I got a little bit, like, not nauseous, but just a little funky feeling, but it went away really quickly. So I was pleasantly surprised too that it didn't make me feel motion sickness.
Yeah, not at all. I mean, if somebody's ultra sensitive, you know, you definitely might want to be careful with this one, because there are a few moments where basically what it is you're still, but the screens are moving, and it plays with your brain. It's kind of like the VR concept. But
it wasn't terrible as far as motion sickness. So all in all, I would definitely ride that again.
Yeah, we definitely will get another boarding group at some point. Now we're done for the day. We can't get another boarding group, so it'll have to be a different day. But yeah, look forward to riding again. Also, the other thing we noticed, there's cars that go into different portions of the ride, so I don't know if those are different scenes, if you see new things.
They're not different scenes, but you might get different perspective from like the refrigerator scene.
And one of my favorites, other than the in the middle of the ride, is the end with the Christmas lights in the trees. That's a really cool
it's
theme.
Beautifully designed as far as the actual set pieces.
They did a very nice job. So all in all, I'm very impressed. Yeah. Definitely
pleasantly surprised.
In the game industry, as we'd say, it's got a high replay value, so definitely ride again.